In today's digital age, staying connected with loved ones has never been easier, thanks to the power of video calling apps. Join us as we explore the world of video calling and how it's helping seniors stay connected with family and friends, even from afar. Introduction to video calling apps. Video calling apps, such as Zoom, Skype, FaceTime, and WhatsApp, have revolutionized the way we communicate, allowing us to see and hear our loved ones in real time, no matter where they are in the world. Benefits for seniors. For seniors, video calling apps offer a lifeline to social interaction and companionship, especially for those who may be isolated or living far away from family members. With just a few taps on a smartphone or tablet, seniors can connect with loved ones face-to-face, sharing stories, laughter, and precious moments. If you're a senior looking to dive into the world of video calling, let's break down step-by-step how to use FaceTime, WhatsApp, and Zoom. First things first, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a device with a camera and microphone. Using FaceTime, open FaceTime app. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you'll find the FaceTime app pre-installed. Simply tap on the FaceTime icon to open the app. Sign in with Apple ID. If you haven't already signed in with your Apple ID, you'll need to do so. FaceTime uses your Apple ID to identify you and connect you with other users. Initiate a call. To make a call, tap the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Then, enter the contact's name, email, or phone number that you want to call, and tap the video camera icon to start a video call. Accepting a call. If someone is calling you on FaceTime, you'll receive a notification on your device. Simply tap on the Accept button to answer the call. During the call, you can switch between front and rear-facing cameras, mute or unmute your microphone, and adjust the volume. You can also add more people to the call by tapping the plus button and selecting additional contacts. Ending the call. To end the call, simply tap the red End button. Using WhatsApp, open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in or create an account using your phone number. Navigate to Contacts, go to the Chats tab, and tap on the New Chat button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Start a video call. Select the contact you want to call from your list of contacts. Then, tap on the video camera icon at the top right corner of the screen to start a video call. Accepting a call. If someone is calling you on WhatsApp, you'll receive a notification on your device. Simply tap on the Answer button to accept the call. During the call, you can switch between front and rear-facing cameras, mute or unmute your microphone, and switch to speakerphone mode. Ending the call. To end the call, tap the red End Call button. Using Zoom. Download Zoom app. If you're using Zoom for the first time, you'll need to download the Zoom app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Sign in or join meeting. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Zoom account or join a meeting as a guest by entering the meeting ID provided by the host. Start a meeting. To start your own meeting, tap on the New Meeting button and then tap Start a Meeting. You can choose to start the meeting with video on or off. Invite participants. To invite participants to your meeting, tap on the Participants button at the bottom of the screen, then tap Invite. You can invite participants via email, text message, or by copying the meeting link. Join a meeting. To join a meeting, tap on the Join button and enter the meeting ID provided by the host. You may also need to enter a meeting password if required. During the meeting, you can toggle your video on or off, mute or unmute your microphone, and share your screen if needed. You can also chat with other participants using the chat feature. Ending the meeting. To end the meeting, tap on the End button and confirm that you want to end the meeting for all participants. That's it. These are the step-by-step instructions for using FaceTime, WhatsApp, and Zoom to make video calls. Benefits for families. For families, video calling apps offer peace of mind knowing that they can check in on their elderly loved ones and see how they're doing, even from a distance. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay connected and maintain strong bonds across generations. In conclusion, video calling apps are a valuable tool for seniors and their families, helping to bridge the gap between physical distance and emotional closeness. Whether you're sharing a virtual meal, celebrating a special occasion, or simply catching up with loved ones, video calls offer a window into the world of connection and community. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of video calling apps and their role in connecting seniors with family and friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on technology for seniors.